Dubai is known for creating landmarks that the world has never seen before. Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, Museum of the Future. But now imagine living in Europe while staying in Dubai. Sounds crazy, right? That's exactly what the heart of Europe promises. 6 islands designed around European culture, architecture and lifestyle. Now the concept, bringing Europe's weather, culture, architecture to Dubai. Now we are not just talking about villas and apartments. We are talking about snow streets in the summer, artificial rain and even corals in the sea. Basically, Europe inside the Middle East. I mean, it just sounds crazy, right? Imagine visiting that place or living in that area. Now, this is 6 island breakdown. You have the Germany island. You have luxury style villas surrounded by beaches and waterfront views. Now, this focuses on sustainability and clean design. Then you have the Sweden island. 10 ultra luxury palaces with rooftop snow rooms. Interiors inspired by noble Swedish design, including Viking style roofs. Now, each palace valued at around 100 million plus. Then you have the Switzerland island inspired by the Swiss village. This has the snow plazas and cold climate experiences in Dubai. Main Europe island, the central hub, resorts, plazas, restaurants, entertainment. This includes a rainy street which is controlled rainfall. Then you have the Monaco island, high-end resort style living modeled after the French Riviera and Monte Carlo lifestyle. Of course, you have the floating seashore villas. Signature highlight, it's floating homes with underwater bedrooms, panoramic sea life views, literally a home under a sea. Now let me talk about what makes Heart of Europe not just any other project, but a global icon. World's first climate controlled street, rain, snow, mild weather in Dubai summer. Underwater living, floating seashores villa with coral reefs, car-free island, sustainable, eco-friendly design. I mean, that's one point to consider. Then you have the cultural experience, European festivals, operas, markets, biodiversity, coral reef restoration program to attract marine life. Okay, the lifestyle is one thing, but what about the investment? This is where it gets really interesting. High exclusivity. Not everyone can buy. Prices. Floating seahorse villas, almost 20 to 25 million dirhams. Now the Sweden palaces, they are placed at over 100 million. And apartments in this resort, well, they're quite reasonable. They're starting at just 1.5 million to 2 million. And this project is not just looking at end investor perspective or as an investor. It works both the ways. Think about it. Limited supply, once in a lifetime concept, and Dubai's real estate booming again. This is not just buying property, it's buying into an icon. Now the heart of Europe isn't just about residents, it's a tourism magnet. Resorts, restaurants and attractions. We expect around hundreds and thousands of visitors annually. It's a tie-in with Dubai's 2030 tourism vision. I mean, think about it. Destination weddings, luxury travel. I can go on and on about this area. Now, Heart of Europe is something unique, something new, and in something amazing in a real estate market. Thinking about the fact that you have all of Europe here in one piece of island, that too so exclusive, that sounds in itself insane. And the prices are quite reasonable for this area, at least for the apartments. Now, they have launched their recent, which is Hige Hotels, and the starting price for a studio was about 1.5 million dirhams. And when I say this project is hot, meaning I mean it. There are very few units available currently. So when you're looking at the Heart of Europe, you're not just seeing villas and apartments. You're seeing the entire concept, a fusion of Europe and Dubai, an island paradise that redefines what luxury living can be. Well, this was just a little introduction to what Heart of Europe is and how much potential Heart of Europe has. Now, if you're interested to invest in something like this, then you know whom to contact. If you want to know more and are interested in investing, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.